Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for wedding and bridal business isn't quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to get started first so you can sign up free. So let's get started. Okay, as you see here, it will takes you to the dashboard. So wait a few seconds. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard, and here we're gonna set up your website and storefront. So click here, set up your website and storefront. It will take you to the editor page. Here where you're gonna design and customize your site. So as you see here, click on the settings and go to the templates and select here the templates you want to use for your topic. So for the wedding and bridal business, maybe it's the event planning. Okay. um okay, so if the topic isn't here, you can choose just a random one and design it on your home page. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, just a random one. So as you see here, you have to go to the header and the menu and change everything here. So start with the logo type. So change, add here your business name for your business, for the wedding and bridal business. And after this, go here and change this menu items. Okay, so delete menu item. You can add your own menu item here. So as you see, now let's go back. uh, After this, you can add the contact information, and you can also add your social profiles and the design of any section. You have to try your best to make your site look attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. Okay, so make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, the color. Okay, and you can also add the frame outline to make it more clear. Now just like this. Now let's go back, let's move on to the cover and the headline. So as you see here, you have to add the tagline, and of course you have to change this one here. You can add your, okay, for example, you can enter here the name of your business, your company, and add on it like hub, like this, or whatever you like. Also here an attractive description that match the title, so you can, for example, introduce this description to your brand to your customers. Welcome to our site for wedding and bridal. Okay, just like this, just a simple one. And the image, of course, you have to go to the browser, and also you can upload this from your library. So for example, go to the image and select image from here. Okay, so we need just a simple image. Okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. as you see, after this you have to go to the design and choose your favorite layout here, for example this one, and don't forget to change the title, the color. Of course I'm gonna change the color of the title, the size, the font, and after this go to the description, and the same thing here, change the same thing as normal. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section, the store section. So of course here you have to change the title, and you can enter here just simple title, for example like this one here, featured products. So before that, go to the dashboard and create your product. So go here and add your products or services. As you see here, pick new products. Okay, here you have to add the product gallery. So check a picture of your product and add here the image of your product, the name of your product, the area, the weight 1 kilogram, and don't forget here to customize the prices options, and also here add the description for your product. So after you're done from this place here, save this and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background, the product name, the product image, and the product price. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So of course you have to change this and the title. So describe here, you can describe something about your website and your business, or why should your customers or your customers buy from you or use your services. So you can tell more details to your customers here about you and who you are or your business. So that's it. The same thing in this, the same thing in the layout. Choose your favorite one. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. So of course you have to change the title and the description. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. Go to the browser and select, for example, okay, so let's select this one here. Okay, that's it. The design also choose your favorite one. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. Change this description, just the same thing as normal, nothing special here, and choose your favorite layout here. Okay, now let's move on to the next, the customer reviews. Change the title, and if you want to add the review, you can add the review text, the author name, and add also the image or the rating. And the design, choose your favorite design here. Okay, after you create the review text, you can choose your favorite layout. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on to the image. So of course here you have to change this one here. So for example, okay, I'm gonna choose this one. After this, the tagline and the title and description, add it from your imagination. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the contacts. So of course you have to change this. You can use this description here, always happy to see you. And here you have to add your address and exact postal address or the plus code. You can add the daily hours, the contact information, and the social profiles. And the layouts, I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. It's much better than the other ones for me. Okay, now let's go back. The last section here, the footer section. So you have here just to enter the copyright, enter your company name for the copyright. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. After you're done from here designing your website, you can just publish your website. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.